Dude, how can I eat that? Hello. Here is the tatami. Hello everyone. So today is the first day of Golden Week. Golden Week is the week of national holidays in Japan, which is awesome because I get 5 days off. Everybody gets 5 days off, but because of my schedule, I get about 7 days off, which is cool. I'm gonna go to Kyoto. I hope you enjoy all the vlogs that I'm planning to do while I'm in Kyoto. And so yeah, I hope you enjoy your day with me. And without further ado, let's get on to it. Here is the tatami room. Very beautiful. Got a nice big window here. Another window here. Got a small little TV here. This, you take this out and you unfold it and lay it on the floor when you want to go to bed. And here are some of the blankets. They seem pretty good, heavy duty, furry. Yeah, it looks nice. So this is the place. Let's try to open this window here. Oh, cute. This room has many outlets too. There's outlet here, outlet there, outlet there, outlet there. They also have these cool like little seat pillows, 4 of these, which is cute. Downstairs. Here's the front door. And then we got a nice little laundry area, microwave, some laundry stuff. We got a little tiny itty bitty fridge with some manners in it and the coffee. We got this area, nice, this is a burner. With this, you know, we got the nice air con up here. We got some good cooking stuff. Yeah, we have this nice little window here. Very aesthetic, very cute Kyoto. Please use everything else. Here we have our bathroom here. That's for the shower. Actually, you usually in a Japanese shower, you sit on this and you use this bowl, you fill it with water, and then you wash yourself before you get into the bathtub. So, got everything here. Got a nice little mirror. Hello! And then we have this. This is our, you heat up the bathtub from this little panel here. And then when you want to take a bath, you just come on in here. You just come on in here. Turn on the light. And so, this is our little bathroom. Got some nice stuff here. This is where you would put the seat and the bowl to wash yourself. There's me again, hello. And then there's also, oh, there's a window here. Looks like it's, cute. But nobody can see in, which is the best part. So let me close that door. Turn that off. We wanna save electricity, so let's turn it all off here. And let's go into our bathroom. Over here we have the bathroom. It's a nice bathroom. So if you haven't been to a Japanese bathroom yet, when you flush the toilet like this, water water comes out the top to kind of conserve water. Yeah. And then here's the bidet functions as well. Bidet, not bidet. And here's another little window where this window opens here. Lots of windows here. I really like that. Yeah. Oh, still going. Going strong. Okay, let's turn that light up here. Okay. Okay. And that will be almost the end of our tour. Last thing is, in Japan you have to sort your trash. But here all you have to do is can, glass bottles, pet bottles, everything here. And everything else goes into burnable. This is actually way nicer than at my house. They get way more detailed with all of the trash sorting. So it is fun. But thank you very much for checking out the Airbnb location with me. Now I'm gonna just go relax.